Welcome.
In this video Kaaba.
We are going to guess the 50 question.
What position does Hajj hold among Islam's pillars? Correct answer is fifth pillar. On which Islamic date does Hajj begin? Correct answer is Dhul-Hijjah 8. Which ritual involves circling the Kaaba? Correct answer is Tawaf. How many times do pilgrims circle the Kaaba during Tawaf? Correct answer is 7. What do pilgrims try to kiss/touch during Tawaf? Correct answer is black stone. Between which two hills is Sa'i performed? Correct answer is Safa and Marwa. How many times do pilgrims walk between Safa and Marwa? Correct answer is 7. What is the name of the sacred state pilgrims enter? Correct answer is Ihram. How many white cloths make up men's Ihram? Correct answer is 2. What is the special prayer called that pilgrims recite? Correct answer is Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik. On which date is Waqf at Arafat? Correct answer is Dhul-Hijjah 9. Until what time must pilgrims stay at Arafat? Correct answer is sunset. Where do pilgrims go after Arafat? Correct answer is Muzdalifah. How many pebbles are collected for Jamarat? Correct answer is 70. How many pebbles are thrown at each Jamra on Eid day? Correct answer is 7. Which Jamra is thrown first? Correct answer is Jamarat al-Sugra. What animal is sacrificed during Eid al-Adha? Correct answer is sheep. What is the act of shaving the head called? Correct answer is hawk. Which tawaf is performed after leaving Arafat? Correct answer is Tawaf al-Ifada. How long is the stoning ritual performed? Correct answer is 3 days. On which date is Eid al-Adha? Correct answer is Dhul-Hijjah 10. How many pillars are at each Jamra site? Correct answer is 3. Who built the Kaaba with his son? Correct answer is Ibrahim, alayhi salam. Which woman ran between Safa and Marwa seeking water? Correct answer is Hajar, alayhi salam. What well appeared for Hajar and Ismail? Correct answer is Zamzam.